given by the Dairi family of Pampanga
in an antique shop in Metro Manila. He bought it and got it home to Tarlac in time for her 60th feast day in 2015.
Philippines, Matabalay High School Outfit 243, San Sebastian Cathedral Parish,